Mother's Day is a special day dedicated to celebrating mothers and all they do. It's a time to show our moms how much we love and appreciate them. Celebrated on the second Sunday of May in many countries around the world, Mother's Day can be traced back to ancient civilizations who honored mothers and mother goddesses. Here are some ways people celebrate Mother's Day. Spending time with mom. This could be anything from having breakfast together to taking her out for a special dinner. Giving gifts, flowers, cards, homemade crafts, or something thoughtful and personalized are all popular choices. Showing appreciation. Writing a heartfelt letter or simply telling mom how much you love and appreciate her can make a big difference. Taking on chores or errands. Giving mom a break from her usual tasks shows you care and are thinking of her. Mother's Day isn't just about moms with biological children. It's a day to celebrate all the mothers in our lives, including grandmothers, stepmothers, foster mothers, and anyone who has played a motherly role. Here are some additional things to keep in mind about Mother's Day. The most important thing is to show your love and appreciation. It doesn't have to be expensive or elaborate. Think about what your mom would enjoy. Some moms might prefer a quiet day at home, while others might like to go out and do something special. Mother's Day can be a difficult day for some people. This might be true for those who have lost their mothers, or for those who have complicated relationships with their mothers. Be sensitive to others' feelings during this time. No matter how you choose to celebrate, Mother's Day is a wonderful opportunity to express our love and gratitude for the amazing mothers in our lives. Thanks for watching, and happy Mother's Day!